Welcome back, GED scholars, to another video in our social studies series. And this is the second video, folks, where I'm not teaching a lesson, but I'm telling you all about the form that you can use that replicates what you will see on the actual GED exam. So on this form, folks, like the first one, you are going to read a passage and then you will see multiple choice questions. Make sure you are using the passage to answer the questions. Just like the test, folks, there's no need for you to think that you need to expand your knowledge outside of this passage when it comes to answering the multiple choice questions. The link to this form is in the description box below. If you missed the first lesson where we also introduced a form with a passage with questions, there's even a map for that first lesson. Please make sure you look for it on our channel, click on that link, read the passage, answer the questions, experience something that will replicate what you'll see on the exam, and just make sure you're studying, folks. That's the most important thing you can do when it comes to any type of exam, is to study. Remember, for social studies exam, you don't need to memorize any dates, names of people, names of locations where wars happens, things like that. But you do need to make sure you have those core social studies skills that we have videos on. So make sure you pay attention to those core skills because that's really what you're being tested on, folks. Make sure you click on the link below. Use this form as a tool to help you study for the exam. And remember, folks, you know what you're doing. Keep your head up. You've got this.